Hey everyone! Did you know that you can achieve brighter hands and feet with simple ingredients from your kitchen? Today, I'm super excited to share a DIY hand and feet whitening routine that you can easily do at home. This includes a homemade mani pedi and a skin brightening facial. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about the common struggles we all face. Many of us deal with darkened hands and feet, often due to sun exposure or just neglecting them in our beauty routines. Ever looked down and thought, wow, my hands are looking a little dull? You're not alone. Whether it's from sun damage, dry skin, or just the wear and tear of everyday life, these issues can really take a toll. But the good news? We can fix it with some easy DIY solutions. So, let's dive into what you'll need for these treatments. For the hand and feet whitening, you'll need a few simple ingredients: lemon juice, honey, and some sugar for exfoliation. And for the skin brightening facial, grab some yogurt, turmeric, and a bit of aloe vera gel. You'll see how all these natural ingredients work wonders. Now, for the mani pedi, start by soaking your hands and feet in warm water mixed with a bit of lemon juice. After about 10 minutes, scrub with the sugar and honey mixture to exfoliate. Rinse, and then apply a light layer of the lemon juice and honey combo to brighten your skin. For the facial, mix the yogurt, turmeric, and aloe vera until smooth, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse off and feel the glow. Now, let's get to the exciting part. The transformation. After following these steps, you'll notice a significant difference in your skin tone. Your hands and feet will look brighter and feel softer. And after that facial? Wow! The before and after comparisons are truly amazing. You'll be so proud of the results from just a little effort and some natural ingredients. It's a total game changer, trust me. To wrap it up, we covered the key steps today. We started with some simple ingredients, went through the DIY processes for hand and feet whitening, and finished with a brightening facial. Remember, using natural ingredients not only helps your skin but also keeps it healthy and nourished. So now it's your turn. I want to hear about your experiences. Have you tried any DIY treatments before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more skincare tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.